Here's what ICE doesn't want you to know. You have rights. As a person in the United States, whether you have documents or not, whether you're a citizen or permanent resident on a student visa or work visa, or have applied for asylum or still waiting for a decision, you have rights. The Constitution of the United States applies to everyone who's inside the United States. That means you have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. And you can tell people that if they're asking you questions about who you are or where you were born or where you came from, you have the right to remain silent. And I highly advise you taking advantage of that opportunity. You also have the right to speak to an attorney when asked questions by authorities like ICE or the police. So you can ask to speak to an attorney before you answer any questions, and they have to stop asking you questions until you have exercised your right to talk to an attorney. You also have the right not to be deprived of your life, your liberty, or your property without due process of law. Now, what constitutes due process of law can vary, but generally it means that you have to be brought before an impartial decider of the facts. You have to have notice about what the charges are against you, and you have to have the opportunity to be heard. That means that generally that you should be able to have a trial in front of a real judge who can make a decision before you're deprived of your liberty, like being put into a detention facility or a concentration camp. You have rights, and it's important that you know those rights and that you exercise those rights no matter what your status is. If ICE can violate the rights of any person, they can violate the rights of all of us. We need to stand together as a community and demand that our federal government treat us with fairness, with respect, and with dignity. If your rights are violated, you should talk to an attorney. We here at World One Law Group want to make sure that your rights are protected. If you have any concerns or you need more information about how to protect yourself from ICE raids, contact World One Law Group today.